Hey, it's John Wilson here from highticketaffiliatecoach.com and welcome to this ThriveCart Bonuses video. And in this video, we're going to cover my custom ThriveCart Bonuses package, and also in a moment, I'm going to reveal the current ThriveCart upsell. And while you're there, if you like videos about online business, be sure to subscribe and smash that like button. So a tiny bit of backstory. I've used this software as the backbone for a book funnel, a digital course funnel, a SaaS funnel, a coaching funnel in 2 different niches, and done multiple 6 figures in sales with the software. So I am a bit of a ThriveCart fan. So let's get into the bonuses. So for my ThriveCart bonuses, it's a $1,497 value custom bonus stack. And the first bonus is digital course formula. Now this is a full digital course that I put together myself and I've sold in the past. And this covers how to turn a skill or a passion into an income by creating and launching a digital course. And if you are planning to use ThriveCart to publish a digital course, then you absolutely need this, because it's going to take you through how to validate your course idea, define your audience, choose a title for your course, price your course, plan your course, format your course, deliver your course, and everything A to Z. And also I'm going to show you a cool way to sell your course before you've even created it, and also how to even get someone else to make your course for you. So second bonus is something called 24-hour ranking system, and this is a course on how to rank your videos at the top of Google in 24 hours. And this is the best way to get buyers for your completed course for free. So just to recap, you're getting the digital course formula, $997 value, and the 24-hour ranking system, a $500 value. Now, let's talk about the upsell. And stay tuned, because in a minute I'm going to tell you an extra special bonus that I've added for anyone that purchases the upsell. Now, the upsell is something called ConvertBox. Now, ConvertBox is another piece of software by the ThriveCart team. And it's the same kind of deal as ThriveCart. You get ThriveCart for a one-off, one-time payment, which is awesome. That's one of the things I love about this software. And this is no different. Now, this software is a really easy to use and robust pop-up solution, right? Now, by pop-up, I mean something like this. This is my website here. And when you've been on my website for a certain amount of time, or if you try to exit the site, then this little window will pop up, all right? And I'm giving away this cheat sheet, and you just put in your email address to get the cheat sheet. Now, if you have a website, if you're publishing a digital course, then you absolutely must be building your list, right? And this is the way to do it, okay? You need to give away something for free. It doesn't have to be a giant thing, just something simple that solves a problem in your audience's in your niche, and they will gladly hand over their email address in exchange for that thing. And this is the way to do it. Now, I have previously used or I've tested out free solutions for this, and WordPress plugins and so on, but I just couldn't find something that has the right functionality and is robust enough and looks good for free. So unfortunately, it's something you're gonna have to pay for. But a lot of these things are subscription based, the competition, but with ConvertBox, it's a one-time payment. And it's not only pop-ups like this. This is the one that I use most often, but you can also have like bars, like a bar at the top of your screen. You can have it with countdown timers on there if you've got a special offer going. You can have an embeddable opt-in form on your site. It's super configurable, and it's really easy to use. So here we are inside of my ConvertBox account, and as you can see, I've just in the last 30 days I've gathered 416 leads on my site using this software. So that's pretty cool. And these are all the different opt-ins and forms that I have. So really easy to use software, highly recommend it. And you can get this as the upsell to ThriveCart. So you'll be presented with this offer after you purchase ThriveCart at the checkout. So it's a special lifetime deal. At the time of recording this, it's a $495 one-time payment, and there is a pro account upgrade that's optional, but the pro account gives you more views. If you've got a high traffic website, then you might need that. You can use it on like more sites. You can get logins for sub users, and you can also, if you're an agency or a freelancer, you can use ConvertBox for your clients as well, which that could be pretty useful. But what I'm going to offer is if you get the ConvertBox upsell, then I'll offer you a whole month of chat-based coaching / consultancy. Okay, so you get full access to me over like Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp or whatever your preferred chat medium is, and you get access to me for all your questions on creating your digital course, setting up ThriveCart, using ThriveCart, and so on. ConvertBox even too, or anything to do with online business. I've been doing business online for over 10 years. So affiliate marketing, anything you like, and you can pick my brains. So that is another $1,000 value, and that's yours if you get the ConvertBox upsell. So yeah, I mean, if you've heard enough, then you can check out the ThriveCart via my link in the comments below this video. You can see my current bonuses via the comments in the below this video. Also, if you're not quite ready yet, then you can sign up for a free 10-part course, which I've done to show you how to publish your course, your digital course, and sell more of it. And you can sign up via the link in the comments below this video. So yeah, I originally got ThriveCart because I needed to set up funnels and sell my digital course quickly, and I didn't have time to mess about with complicated tech stuff. Also, one of the main things that sealed the deal for me was that ThriveCart is an affordable one-time payment and not a monthly charge, and ThriveCart's main competitor charges up to $299 per month for a similar software. So if you decide to pick up ThriveCart today, through my link in the comments below this video, I'll give you access to all these free bonuses. So thank you for listening. Appreciate your time. I'll see you in the next one. God bless.